Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? Bravo. Okay, let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date, girls. Who can tell me, girls? What's the day today? What's the day today, girls? Today is Tuesday. Let's spell the word together. Tuesday again. Tuesday, and the date is 12 to 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Tuesday. Tuesday, and the date is 12 to 1442 after Hijrah. Now, please, girls, I want you to open your notebook in the handwriting section, girls. Write the day with the date, Tuesday, 12 to 1442 after Hijrah. Please copy the sentence. Touch your nose. Copy the sentence, please, girls, in your notebook in the handwriting section. Then close your box. Close your notebooks quickly. Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. Define an imperative sentence. Or, what do I mean by an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. For example, close the door, open the door, wash your hands, brush your teeth. Now, define an imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. For example, close the door, open the door, do your homework, help your mother. Please, girls, you should memorize this definition. It's a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. For example, open the door. Okay? Now, let's start my own lesson for today. Lesson 2 and Unit 2. And it's about my body, page number 14 and 15. Page number 14 and 15. Open your books, please, girls. Page number 14 and 15. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Open your box, page number 14 and 15. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Quickly, girls. Now, I want you to close your books and concentrate with me, please, girls. Define a singular noun. Define a singular noun. A singular noun is a noun that refers to one person, one place, and one thing. A singular noun is a noun that refers to one person, one place, and one thing. For example, book, door, window, sky, mother, father, mouth, nose. Okay? For example, nose, mother, father, head, sky. Again, define a singular noun. A singular noun is a noun that refers to one person, one place, and one thing. For example, nose. Okay? You should memorize this definition, girls. Okay? Now, what about plural nouns? Plural nouns are nouns that refers to more than one person, more than one place, and more than one thing. For example, doors, tables, chairs, windows, ears, eyes, shoulders, fingers, toes. Okay? Plural nouns are nouns that refers to more than one person, one place, and more than one person, more than one place, and more than one thing. For example, eyes, ears, fingers, shoulders. We have s at the end of the word, or we have s at the end of the noun. Okay? Now, what can you see in this picture, girls? What can you see in this picture? I can see a library, so many books, and people. So, what can you see? I can see a library. Let's spell the word library together. Library. I can see a library. Okay. How many persons, girls, can you see in this picture? How many persons can you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see 7 persons in the picture. I can see 7 persons in the picture. Right? Now, what are they doing, girls? What are they doing? They are reading books. They are reading books. They are reading books. They are reading books. Now, what's the plural of the word book? The plural is books. The plural is books. Okay, what's your favorite book, girls? What's your favorite book? My favorite book, for example, is Jane Eyre. So, what's your favorite book? My favorite book is Jane Eyre. Now, describe what can you see in the first picture and what can you see in the second picture. In the first picture, I can see one book, one book. In the second picture, I can see 6 books. So, book here is singular and books is plural, okay? Now I can see one chair and 5 chairs. Chair and chairs. Now, how many persons can you see in this picture, girls? I can see 3 persons in this picture. I can see 3 persons in this picture. Okay, what are they doing? They are playing football. They are playing football. Let's spell the word football. Football. They are playing football. Okay, girls. Now let's see. The first word in my lesson today is what? What can you see here? I can see a knee. Let's spell the word knee. K-N-E-E. K-N-E-E. Okay, what about these? What are these? These are knees. Knees. K-N-E-E-S. K-N-E-E-S. Okay, now the first word in my lesson today is knees. Let's see the second picture. What can you see here, girls? I can see a bedroom, a bed, a baby, a window, and so many books, right? So, what can you see in this picture? I can see a bedroom, a bed, a baby, a window, a guitar, a rug, and so many books. So, now let's see the second word in my lesson today, girls. What are these? These are toes, T-O-E-S, toes, T-O-E-S, T-O-E-S. Now, how many toes do you have? I have 10 toes in my feet. I have 10 toes in my feet. Okay? I have 10 toes in my feet, girls. Now we have irregular plural nouns, irregular plural nouns. We have singular and plural. We have the word fish. Here is singular and the plural is fish. The same, okay? Singular is fish and the plural is fish. The singular is mouse and the plural is mice. The singular is person and the plural is people. The singular is knife and the plural is knives, okay? The singular is man, the plural is men. The singular is women, the plural is women, okay? The singular is foot, the plural is feet, okay? Now, fish, fish, mouse, mice, person, people, knife, knives, okay? Okay, girls? Now, قال تعالى لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم. What did you understand from this ayah? We understood that we have to thank our God. Because if we thank our God will give us more and more. Okay? Now, please, girls, I want you to open your book. Open your books, girls. Open your books. Page number 14 and 15. Open your books. Page number 14 and 15. And listen, girls, please. Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Chant and point. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Now lead out knees. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Okay, girls. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now, girls, let's move to exercise 2. Listen, point, and pronounce. Listen, point, and pronounce, girls.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and pronounce. 1. Head. 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 2. Shoulders. 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 3. Knees. 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 4. Toes. 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 5. Eyes. 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 6. Ears. 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 7. Mouth. 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 8. Nose. Nose. Nose.
Okay, 1. Head. 2. Shoulders. 3. Knees. 4. Toes. 5. Eyes. 6. Ears. 7. Mouth. 8. Nose. Now we have fun time. Touch what your teacher says. Touch what your teacher says. We will play this game together, girls, in our virtual classroom. Now I want you to open your activity book, page number 73 and 74. This is your homework, girls. Listen and chant. Listen, girls, and chant.
Hi. How are you? Are you ready for goal 11? Good. Let's start. I can chant the head, shoulders, knees, and toes chant. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Good job. Now trace the words. Then do exercise 2.
Okay, girls. Now I want you to trace the gray words head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Then trace and write letter K. Trace and write letter K. Now we have page 74, girls. Now listen, please.
Are you ready for goal 12? Good. Let's start. I can tell a friend to touch 2 body parts. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Do the actions. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Touch your shoulders. Touch your knees. Touch your knees. Touch your toes. Touch your head. Great. You did it. Now
Great, girls. Now I want you to trace the gray words here. Touch your head and touch your nose. Then trace and write letter L. Trace and write letter L, girls. Now, this is the end of my own lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time, girls. Goodbye.